Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to turn off Zelle on your account. In order to turn off Zelle, you typically need to unenroll your phone number or email address from your bank account or a standalone Zelle app. To do this, you want to first of all log into your bank or credit union mobile banking application or online banking platform. After which, you want to look for the pay and transfer stand, select send and request money or a dedicated Zelle tab or an icon itself. After which you want to, within the Zelle section, select preferences or settings and find the option to unenroll your mobile number or email address and follow the prompt to confirm the actions. And what next you want to do is, if you cannot find the option to unenroll in the app or a website, you could call a bank or a credit union customer support line for the assistant, and they will be able to help you out. So this way you could turn off Zelle on your account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.